Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your crypto insider here, diving headfirst into the wild world of XRP on this crisp November day in 2025. If you're an American trader grinding through the markets, you know the drill, Bitcoin's flexing. But XRP, that's the sleeper hit that's got Wall Street whispering and your portfolio sweating. Today, we're unpacking this Binance chart that's screaming opportunity louder than a Black Friday sale. No dry stats, just straight fire. Let's ride this rocket together. Picture this, you're staring at XRP USD, clocking in at a juicy $2.0482, up a solid 8.15% in the last 24 hours. That's not just a tick up, that's the kind of surge that turns coffee into rocket fuel. Zoom out to the main candlestick playground. Those red to green bars from November 20th at 3:30 p.m. to the 23rd at 9:30 a.m. We kicked off with a brutal dip. Candles bleeding down like a horror flick, testing that $1.89 low like it was personal. But hold up, bam! The bulls charged in around the 21st, flipping the script with those fat green bodies stacking up. Volume exploding to 115 million XRP and $231 million USD traded. That's real money flowing, not some ghost town pump. It's like the market just woke up from a nap and decided, nah, we're not done yet, this ain't random. It's the XRPL network humming with cross-border deals, and with that fresh canary XRP ETF, sucking in $250 million on day one. Institutions are piling in like it's the last slice at Thanksgiving dinner. Now layer on those EMAs, the golden threads weaving through the chaos. That 7-period EMA at $2.0385. It's hugging the price like a lifeline, while the 25 at $2.0036 and 100 at $2.02 scream, buy the dip. The 50 and 200 are dipping their toes lower. But check the crossover action mid-21 cent. Short-term lines slicing above the longer ones. Classic bull signal, folks, like your GPS saying turn left to riches. Prices dancing right on that 200 EMA support at $2.097. Hold it. And we're golden, crack it. And it's back to the $1.98 bargain bin. But with RSI chilling at 66.07. Not overbought, just primed, like a sprinter at the starting line, ready to bolt without gasping for air. Flip down to the underbelly. MACD's histogram flipping positive at 0.0020, with the signal line curling up like it's flirting with a breakout. DIF at 0.0261, DEA at 0.0241. Momentum's building. Not fizzling Bollinger Bands. Squeezing tight around $1.8913 to $1.8044 before exploding wide. Volatility's about to pop like champagne at midnight on New Year's Eve. SAR's dotted line trailing below price at 1.8044. That's your uptrend confirmed neon sign. And volume bars. Those orange spikes on the bottom panel are heartbeat strong, peaking at 3.4 million on the surge days, dwarfing the quiet lulls. It's the tell, smart money's accumulating while the herd panics. This chart isn't just lines and squiggles, it's a story of resilience. XRP's been the underdog, battling regs like a Rocky montage. But now, with SEC shadows lifted and ETFs greenlighting billions, it's flexing real utility. Banks wiring cash faster than your Venmo. All on XRPL, that's the American dream in blockchain form. From that gut-wrenching drop to this 8% pump. It's proof fear sells low, greed buys high. And right now, the setup's electric. Price prediction, where's XRP headed next? Strap in USA crew short term. We're eyeing a push to $2.70. $2.90 by end of November if it cracks that $2.15 resistance like an egg. That's a 30% plus juice from here, fueled by ETF inflows hitting $410 million already, and whales hoarding 900 million tokens. Hold $2.55 support. Boom, $3.25 by December. With eyes on $5 into 2026, as more funds like Franklin Templeton's drop. But realism check. If macro bites hello, Fed rates we could test $2.10 downside first. Grab it as your fire sale. Analysts like CoinDCX and finance magnates are bullish AF. Averaging $3.50 plus for your end. But DYOR, crypto's a rodeo, not a sure bet.